this helps build our collective knowledge base as a community. We can lean on each other. You are not alone. So I encourage you, please, 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 go to this site and take part in it. When you are in nSide, on the right-hand side, under the help menu or on the gray bar on the right, there's a little globe there that is called community, and it'll take you right there. So please leverage that, because we want to help, and I know that collectively as a community, we can all help each other. They are available to you to hopefully help. And what we have tried to do is things especially like this. What we've seen in Fleet and in notification is a lot of the softwares and systems that are out there, they have retained the pricing from the early 2000s effectively. They have not progressed with the technology in the context of cost. And so that was a big driving force for us doing this. The reality of it is most of the large systems in the state of Alabama, they have something. But what about the majority of the state that is rural in nature and don't have a lot of money to play with? That's who we built this for. We want to simply help. And we wanted to make it as cheap as we possibly could, but also, again, as part of our simplicity and structure. We want one system, you don't have to go other places, and you can easily access it. It's not anything complex. We just want to try to help. So our job is something worth doing. We're pretty proud to be able to do it. And with that, I think we are pretty much wrapped. I'm going to turn it over to Lamar for a few final announcements. Thank you so much for attending. We hope to hear from you very soon. Please let us know if we can help. We're Johnny on the spot with it.